There's some good birds right there. Well, we're going to have to wait this out. We're not going home without a limit. Okay. There's the mud buddy right there.
Good day.
There's Colin Brown right there. We're going to walk up here and he's going to check out the birds.
Good kills.
What did we get?
14 twice. Lost them. Some teal, some bluebills, mal. Good day. Good day.
Heck yeah. And, oh, is that a hen mallard? No, that was a hen gadwall.
Gadwall.
So gadwall, a bunch of teal, and I think 3 bluebills, 4 bluebills.
Yep.
3 or 4 bluebills. Good day.
Good day.
Cool. Here, hold this for a second. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 teal, 3 bluebills, what appears to be a hen goldeneye and a hen gadwall. So it was a good day. Excellent hunt with Colin Brown.
I completely forgot about that. Goldeneye.
Yeah, I think that's what that is. We'll figure it out later once I get home. Hi, I'm Dave Borges with BorgesOutdoors.com. If you come to my website right now, I'll give you this free waterfowl guide. Thanks for watching this video and see you soon.